How's it going? This is Steve Ladon from MarineMax Boston, and we are on our 2023 Boston Whaler 240 Vantage. This boat is equipped with the V8 300 in black, which matches the new available option to do all your rails in powder-coated black. Really good-looking boat. The white gel coat exterior with the black accents really pops. As we step into the boat, you'll see part of their redesign, optional to have a galley here. So with this layout, it really opens up the ability to have a carry-on cooler, still get the really nice lounger. Made some improvements with the transom seating, with a grab handle. Whaler, whenever they do a redesign like this boat, they take customer feedback and design the boat keel up. So this replaced the previous 23 Vantage. And we can go over some of the other options that they've added and improved on versus that model. Looking at the helm, you'll notice that we've gone to Simrad for 2023 product and going forward. Brunswick, who owns Boston Whaler, they also own Mercury, and they own Navico, so which is a Simrad mother. And basically, you've got a boat that has vertical integration with your electronics, your hull design, and your power. Moving forward to the bow, you'll see nice ample seating up here. One option that folks from the 23 Vantage are going to like is the ability to have both the windlass and the bow ladder. In the previous model was only one or the other. So they redesigned the bow to accommodate both the windlass option, because nobody likes dragging up the anchor, and the bow ladder. For more information on this in stock, ready to go 240 Vantage, please give me a call at 774-991-3880.